Hi everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D model design with Midjourney. Whether you're planning a car design, exploring futuristic concepts, or prototyping ideas, Midjourney can be a powerful tool to get started. So in this video, we'll cover 3 unique ways to design and visualize for this video your dream car using Midjourney, going beyond the usual workflows to spark your creativity. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to take your designs even further. Let's jump right in. Every innovative car starts with a blueprint. Whether you're envisioning a sleek sports car or a functional SUV, well, having a detailed visual reference is essential. Now, Midjourney right over here makes it incredibly easy to create blueprints that are not only functional but also visually stunning. So let's put together a concept that brings your ideas to life. Remember, the clearer and more detailed your prompt, the better your results will be. So here's the one that I put together right here. So let's go for a futuristic electric sports car. Top down and side views showcasing aerodynamic curves, low slung body, sharp headlights, oversized alloy wheels, and sleek door contours. Okay, professional technical annotations and precise measurements in a clean monochromatic technical drawing style. Okay, so I'll let Midjourney render the image results right about now. Okay. Okay. So we've sent the prompt right here. So let's give Midjourney a few moments to process it. Okay, this might not take long. Okay, here it is. Would you look at that? See, the precision and detail here are phenomenal. Now, the aerodynamic curves and sharp lines make this a perfect blueprint for moving forward. Now, you can take this into your 3D modeling software or something, or even sketch additional modifications directly onto the print. See right here, another one, and another one right over here. Pretty cool. Once the blueprint is ready, it's time to bring your car to life by visualizing its exterior. Now, this step is all about style and personality. How do you want your car to look and feel? Now, with Midjourney, sorry about that, you can experiment with materials, lighting, and design elements, well, to create a truly unique exterior. So let's craft a futuristic and bold design together. Remember, details like lighting, environment, and materials can make all the difference in your final render. Okay, so let's go here, and here's my prompt. There we go. Once more, future electric sports car. All right, and there are a few more details like tail lights, body panels, on the wheels, the windows, front grille. All right, and has to be with lighting. Sorry about that, and reflective floors to showcase the car to be more sleek. And also, you can pick either of the blueprints to help out. Let's go with this one. Alrighty, and there we go. Send this off right about now. The prompt is in. Now we wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so visualizing the exterior can really help you refine your ideas and even test out different styles before committing to a final design. Now, let's see how Midjourney translates our vision into a striking render. All right, this might take a few moments. Oh, right, here it is. As you can see, the final design. All right, let's take a look. So yeah, it's absolutely stunning, I must say. Look at that. See right here? Another one right here. Look at that. See? Another one right here. Also, you can go for a different blueprint. Just attach this one and a different one with this. All right. Let's submit this again. As you can see, with the processing, just taking just a couple of seconds. Just wait for a bit until the rendered images are about to finish. And see how this one translates with this prompt right here. All right, here we go. Look at that. See, this helps out. The metallic finish and sharp, angular body panels give it quite a futuristic yet practical vibe. And look at those LED lights. They add so much character. And another one right here. See, I kind of like this much better. If remove the linings of the white things. And then, and right over here, see, this render is quite a great reference from the previous rendered images just to further refine the design or show off your concept to collaborators. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now let's focus on the interior, the part of the car where functionality meets comfort and luxury. The interior design sets the tone for how the car feels to drive and interact with. With Midjourney right here, you can create concepts that combine cutting edge technology with premium aesthetic. So let's dive into creating an interior design that's both futuristic and highly functional. Just pay close attention to details like material, textures, lighting, and layout. All right, let's go here once again. Let's paste my prompt. All right. Once again, luxurious and modern car interior, ergonomic leather, bucket seats in dark brown with fine stitching. Okay, minimalist dashboard featuring a wide touchscreen display. Okay, has ambient LED lighting. Sorry about for the quick pause for a second. Okay, accents. There's the sunroof. See, just pay close attention to this one. Just read about it for a bit. There's the console. As to render ultra realistic detail with soft, even lighting to highlight textures. Okay, now let me pull up either this or this one. I kind of like this one right over here. Okay, and so let's send this off right now. Okay, the prompt is on its way, and this is where your creativity can really shine. Whether it's really creating a cozy, luxurious space or a high tech command center, the interior design is your chance to experiment. All right, here is the final product right here. Okay, now here's how it came out. Alrighty. Okay. Oh, I think this is much better with the interior right here. See that? The ambient lighting, the chrome accents add a touch of sophistication, while the ergonomic seats, right over here, make it feel both stylish and comfortable. So this is the kind of design that would make anyone excited to step into the driver's seat. You can use this as a reference for mockups or adjust the materials and colors to suit your exact vision. Okay, so far this one is generated really nicely. So here, the LED, I mean, not LED, the touch screen display. See right here. This one is kind of messed up right here. This one's actually fine, but If you could do this again, maybe try a different model right here, it could came out really well. And here is the second batch that I just entered right here. All right, this seemed looking a little bit more better than I thought. Okay, another one right here, another one right here, and another one right over here. All right, and that wraps up our tutorial on designing a car with Midjourney. As you've seen, combining AI-generated visuals with your creative ideas can save time and elevate your designs. Whether you're designing for fun or working on a professional project, there's so much to explore. Until next time, everybody, have a good day or night to you all.